Hello, and welcome back to the Easy English Podcast. My name is David.
And I'm Emily. We are so excited you're tuning in to learn with us today.
We have a wonderful topic for you. It's all about sharing joy and celebrating success. Today, we are learning how to congratulate someone.
That's right. And let me ask our listeners a question. Have you ever heard good news from a friend and you wanted to say something more than just congrats?
I think we've all been there. You feel happy for the person, but you don't have the right words in English. So you say something very short and the conversation just stops.
Exactly. It can feel a little awkward, but don't worry because today we are going to fix that. We will teach you many different ways to congratulate people, from your boss at work to your best friend.
These phrases will help you sound more natural, more sincere, and more fluent. It's all about connecting with people.
So get ready to learn how to celebrate the big and small moments in life. Let's begin.
All right, let's start with the basics. What are the simplest, most common ways to congratulate someone, Emily?
The two most famous phrases are probably congratulations and well done. You can use these in almost any situation.
Yes, they are like the perfect all-purpose tools for celebrating. Your friend got a new job? Congratulations! Your colleague finished a difficult project? Well done!
The most important part of using these simple phrases is your tone of voice. You have to sound happy and sincere. Say it with a smile. Your energy is just as important as your words.
That's such a great point. Let's try it. Imagine I just told you I passed my big English exam. What would you say?
I would say with a big smile, David, you passed your exam? Congratulations! That's wonderful news.
See, the energy makes all the difference. So even with simple phrases, you can show you really care.
That's your foundation. Now, let's learn how to build on it and add more detail.
So, saying, "Congratulations" is great, but we can make it even better by being more specific.
Yes, a great way to sound more personal is to say what you are congratulating them for. The formula is very simple. Congratulations on plus the achievement.
Let's try some examples. If your friend buys a new house, you can say, "Congratulations on your new house."
If your sister has a baby, you can say, congratulations on your new baby.
If your coworker gets a promotion, you say, "Emily?"
Congratulations on your promotion. It's easy, right? This small detail shows you were listening and that you know exactly what they achieved.
After you say that, you can add another phrase to show more emotion. Phrases like, "I'm so happy for you," or "That's fantastic news," are perfect.
Let's put it all together. Congratulations on your new job. I'm so happy for you. That sounds so warm and natural.
It really does. It's a simple way to make your congratulations feel more special and heartfelt. Now, let's talk about a specific situation, the workplace. Congratulating people at work is important for building good relationships with your team.
Absolutely. The language we use at work can be a little more formal, but still warm. The phrases we already know, like congratulations on and well done, are perfect for the office.
Let's say your colleague Maria gave an amazing presentation. What could you say to her?
You could say, well done on the presentation today, Maria. You were great. Or, congratulations, that was a huge success.
I love that. What about phrases that recognize the person's hard work?
Oh, those are some of my favorites. They show you appreciate their effort. You can say things like, it's well deserved. which means you think they really earned their success.
For example, congratulations on the promotion, John. It's well deserved.
Another great one is all your hard work paid off. This is perfect for when you know someone has been trying for a long time to achieve something. It shows you noticed their dedication.
So, at work, it's great to be specific and to acknowledge the effort behind the achievement. It's very professional and also very kind. Okay, we've covered the professional world. Now, let's talk about the fun stuff. Congratulating our friends and family.
Yes, with people we know well, we can be much more informal and enthusiastic. The language is more casual and relaxed.
So, what are some great informal phrases we can use?
A simple and powerful one is, "You did it." It's so direct and full of energy. Imagine your friend has been saving money for a car and finally buys it. You bought the car, you did it.
I love that. Another very common one in American English is way to go. It's like a verbal high five. It's very encouraging.
Definitely. You won the match? Way to go. You can also add words like awesome or amazing. For example, that's amazing. Well done.
Here's a fun one that is very informal. You rock. It means you think the person is fantastic and did a great job.
You got tickets to the concert? You rock. But be careful. You would probably only say this to a close friend, not your boss.
That's a very important point. These casual phrases are for people you have a relaxed relationship with. They are perfect for showing genuine, high-energy excitement for the people you love. So we've learned how to give congratulations, but it's also important to know how to receive them. How should you respond when someone congratulates you?
That's a great question, David. Sometimes we can feel a bit shy when we get a compliment. The most important thing is to be gracious and say, "Thank you."
A simple and perfect response is, "Thank you so much," or just, "Thanks." You don't need to say anything complicated.
Exactly. You can also say something like, "That's very kind of you to say," or "I really appreciate that." These are polite and warm responses.
What if a team of people helped you with the achievement? For example, at work.
In that case, it's wonderful to share the credit. You could say, "Thank you. I couldn't have done it without my team." This shows you are a good team player.
Or, if a friend helped you study for a test, you could say, "Thanks. Your help made a big difference."
The biggest mistake is to deny the compliment. Sometimes people say, "Oh, it was nothing." This can make the other person feel awkward.
That's right. Just accept the compliment with a smile. Someone is celebrating you. Enjoy the moment. A simple thank you is always the best choice. Let's talk about some of the biggest moments in life, like weddings, graduations, or a new baby. These are called life events.
For these big moments, our congratulations are often a little different. We not only celebrate the present achievement, but we also offer good wishes for the future.
Okay, let's take an engagement or a wedding. What would we say?
You would start with congratulations, of course. Congratulations on your engagement. Then you can add a wish, like, "I wish you both a lifetime of happiness together."
That's beautiful. What about a graduation?
For a graduation, you could say, "Congratulations on your graduation. We are so proud of you." It's also nice to ask about their future plans. What's next for you? This shows you are interested in their journey.
And for a new baby? Everyone loves to hear compliments about the baby.
Oh, absolutely. You can say, "Congratulations on your beautiful baby boy," or "She's absolutely perfect. Congratulations to you both."
So for major life events, the formula is congratulate them, express your happiness for them, and add a nice wish for their future. I think it's time to put all of this into practice. A little role play, perhaps?
I love role playing. It's the best way to practice a new language. Okay, you go first. I will give you a situation.
I'm ready.
Okay, David. Imagine I am your colleague at work. I come to you and say, "Guess what? I finally finished that difficult report for our boss. How would you congratulate me?"
Okay, here I go. Emily, that's fantastic news. Congratulations. I know how much work you put into that. All your hard work paid off. It's well deserved.
Oh, that's perfect. You sounded professional, specific, and you acknowledged my hard work. I feel great. Thank you.
My turn. Now imagine I am your close friend. I call you on the phone and say, Emily, I can't believe it. I passed my driving test.
Okay, I'm getting into character as your excited friend. What? You passed? David, you did it! Way to go! Oh, I am so happy for you. This is amazing. We have to celebrate.
Haha, fantastic. That was full of energy and used all those great informal phrases. See, everyone, it's fun to practice. That was a lot of useful information. Before we finish, let's do a quick review of our favorite phrases.
Great idea. Let's list our top 5. First, the classic and essential formula, congratulations on your new job, your exam, anything.
Second, the simple and effective classic for a job well done. Well done.
Third, for someone at work who really earned their success, it's well-deserved or all your hard work paid off.
Fourth, for a friend when you are super excited for them, the energetic and informal, way to go, or you did it.
And fifth, a phrase to show your personal happiness for someone. I'm so happy for you.
Now, I also want to mention one very common mistake I hear from English learners. They sometimes say, congratulation, without the S at the end.
That is such an important point. The word is almost always used in its plural form, congratulations, with an S. It's a fixed expression, so remember to add that sound at the end, congratulations.
Well, that brings us to the end of another lesson. I feel ready to go out and celebrate everyone's achievements.
Me too. Celebrating the success of others is one of the kindest and most positive things we can do. It builds stronger friendships and happier workplaces.
And now, you all have the English phrases you need to do it with confidence. You don't have to feel awkward or shy anymore. You can share in the joy.
We encourage you to try using one of these new phrases this week. The next time you hear good news, choose a phrase from our lesson and try it. You can do it.
You are all working so hard on your English, and we want to say to every single one of you, well done. Keep up the amazing work.
Thank you for listening today. We are so happy you chose to spend your time with us. This is Emily.
And this is David. We will talk to you next time on the Easy English Podcast. Goodbye for now.